People, wagwan again, people. This is Silk Reacts, you understand? And this music video, bro, is Ja Vinci. Name Scream. Baby girl, come scream now. Subscribe, please, and thank you, guys. Y'all will hear all of these new songs over on this YouTube channel named One Code Music, bro. Jeez, I not even listen to song as yet, and I know a girl is going to scream in this music, bro. Let's kick it off, kick it. Yeah.
So she feel like it were tired of the boring thing was some excitement. In my blame her both folk crew and the arguments pointless. Him know she have the tightest gun par in her friend white men's come home drop a sleep night well. She tell me is that she had the fuck woman back it up and try to rip up my
Jesus, the microwave, bro, and the guy put his hand right there, bro. God, as in the artist named Ja Vinci. She's just reminiscing on this. Jeez.
and in a what she done with the boy across is you know. Come pick it up, she come for the phone. Yeah,
Right.
man, I'm in the worried and talking fit deals. One more put up on a box and pull back her hair, make she scream, scream, scream. She say, baby, please.
Jeez. If a selector boy in the party not playing Ja Vinci Scream for the girls, then there will be no girls in the party, bro. Play it for the girls, then make them scream.
Just want some love, no,
Trouble.
but don't fall in love, no. Rose broke when we are fuck grown. She a scream out, she a come low. Make she scream, baby, please.
Trouble one Ja Vinci.
Just want some love, no, but don't fall in love, no. Rose broke when we are fuck grown. She a scream out, she a come low. Tell me say she just made skin smooth and she feel good, pussy clean and it just shake. She do make
Bro, Ja Vinci always have some hits for the ladies, bro. And even for dancehall itself, bro, God. You understand? Yes. Oh, on Ja Vinci, I cannot five. Oh,
complain, say she sexually frustrated. This a boy I must be a alien. When love game make a next man I get no brains. She tell me say she had the fuck who want back it up and try to rip up my gun in a but she done with the boy across is you know. Come pick it up, she come for the fuck. Yeah, man, with the worried and
bro, as
talking.
an artist, bro, you have to have some female songs, bro. God, you understand? This song tough like stone you.
One more put up on a
What you
box
make
and
it
pull
do
back her hair, make she scream, scream, scream. She say, baby, please.
Youth, if you talk to the female and you're doing your thing, you understand, and you're not making she scream, bro, you leave that female, you understand? Female, leave it, boy, if him not make her scream. People, female, scream now.
Just want some love, no, but don't fall in love, no. Rose broke when we are fuck grown. She a scream out, she a come low. Make she scream, baby, please.
Girl.
Just want some love, no, but don't fall in love, no. Rose broke when
Hold on, I'm on there, yo, and I like how he just put it out there like as that, bro. Not even no bad words, it's just clean, bro. Like some of these just come artists, bro, God, they will just put a lot of bad words in this song. Like they don't have lyrics. Ja Vinci showing you that he have lyrics, bro, God, without even bad words, bro. Let she scream.
a fuck grown. She a scream out, she a come low.
Bad. Tough like stone. One not nice, no records, bro. God, not nice. Big up yourself, bro. God. You understand? One Ja Vinci name Scream. Guys, y'all will hear this over on One Code Music. channel right here. People are one code, it is not one tour. You understand? Check in and do not check out. Guys, subscribe to Silk Action right now, people. You understand? Yeah, I'm even over TikTok, bro. Follow me on TikTok, please and thank you. Guys, I'm out.